Do you ever feel anxious because you don't know when the next sale or payment will come to you? Do you feel stressed at the end of every month even though you are working hard on your art? If income uncertainty keeps you mentally restless, this video is for you. Let me tell you, this anxiety is very common among all the artists. 1 month you earn something, the next month it drops suddenly. You never feel fully relaxed even on good days. And that constant uncertainty slowly affects your peace of mind. And you know what many artists do? They live in survival mode. They keep checking messages, they keep waiting for inquiries, they keep hoping someone will buy or join. This waiting creates only emotional exhaustion. Your mind never truly rests. The real pain is not low income alone. The pain is not knowing what to expect. When income is unpredictable, planning life feels impossible. Anxiety grows because there is no sense of control. Let me share something important you all need to hear today. Unstable income is not a talent problem, it is a structure problem. When income depends only on chance, stress becomes daily part of life. Let me reframe this gently for you. Anxiety does not mean you are weak or fearful. It means your art journey is unpredictable. When predictability increases, anxiety reduces. Most artists, they depend on one source of income, maybe occasional sales, workshops, or commissions. When that source pauses, panic starts. Stability not only requires more effort, it requires planning. When artists create system around their art, income becomes repeatable. You stop hoping for sales and start expecting them to you. That shift brings mental calm, peace of mind. And peace of mind improves your creativity. Empowerment begins when you understand that peace comes from preparation. When you know what exactly brings income and when exactly it will bring, your nervous system will relax. Confidence grows. And you don't need to earn massive amounts to feel peaceful. You need consistent amount. Even moderate income feels empowering when it is predictable. Stability matters more than sudden highs in income. When artists build structured offerings, anxiety slowly fades. You stop reacting to every message or notification. You start working with intention, and this control replaces chaos in your life. Imagine going to sleep without worrying about the next month. Imagine planning your expenses without any fear. Imagine enjoying your art without constant stress. That peace is possible with clarity and guidance. Most artists accept this anxiety as normal. They think this is just part of the art business life. But struggle is not a requirement for creativity. Stability actually supports growth. You deserve mental peace along with creative expression. You deserve income that supports your life instead of stressing it. You deserve calm, confidence instead of constant worry. And you deserve clarity around money. If this video made you realize why income anxiety exists, that awareness matters. Anxiety reduces when understanding increases. Structure is the next step forward for you. If you are ready to move from income anxiety to stability and peace, comment art business below. That one step can change how you experience money and art. Thank you.